Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and opening Google Compressor so you can act right away. Upload the files you want to compress. Drag and drop saves time. Make sure file formats are supported and note the total size, because Compressor may batch process differently. Choose an output folder so files stay organized. Once done, pick a quality preset, for example, 80% for a balance of size and quality. Make sure Overwrite is set only if you want originals replaced, and confirm file naming rules. Now you configure the core settings so results match your needs. Choose the output format, JPEG, PNG, or WebP, and set a target quality percentage or exact size. This controls the file size versus visual fidelity. Next, tweak resolution and scaling. Try 0. 5x for web images, remove metadata to save extra bytes, and convert color profiles if needed. Preview a single file to verify the visual result. Once satisfied, apply the same settings to the whole batch or override per file. Run the compression and monitor progress so you catch problems early. As Compressor finishes, spot check outputs, open images, inspect for artifacts, and compare file sizes to targets. If you see unacceptable quality loss, reprocess those specific files at a higher quality or switch formats. Once done, rerun only the affected files. Make sure naming and folder placement are correct. If anything goes wrong, restore originals from your saved folder and adjust settings before repeating, which prevents repeated data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.